So hello again. So this is our second day of answering this flip cards. So let's see how many scores we get. So in the previous day that we answered, we get a low score. So today let's get more higher. So the first is question is it uses a visual board to do progress and workflow. Uses a clear Kanban. So an agile model is an iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments called sprints. The Blanc and Blanc models are two distinct approaches to software development, each with its own methodologies, strengths, and weaknesses. So these two is agile and waterfall. The Blanc is a linear and sequential software development approach where each piece must be completed before the next phase begins. So the answer is agile model. Waterfall model. The Blanc is an iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments called sprints. So this is agile model. So each piece is well defined, making it easier to manage and document. So the answer is clear in structure. What are the key agile methodologies? Kanban, Scrum, and extreme programming or XP. What are the typical phases of the waterfall model? So the typical phases there are 6. So I'll just give 2, which is the development or deployment and maintenance. So what are the weaknesses of the waterfall model? So pass. So prioritize high quality coding and frequent testing. Extreme programming. So compare the time to market of the waterfall and agile model. So in waterfall, it is longer while in agile is faster. So compare the testing pace of the waterfall and agile model. So what are the strengths of the agile model? What are the weaknesses of the agile model? So we get 8 correct answer and 8 wrong answer. That's all.